Every time I eat this French fries, no, I really miss Delhi French fries. Don't you miss Delhi French fries?
What is Delhi French fries?
Delhi French fries, oh, that red ones.
कहाँ मिलते हैं?
वो मोमो के स्टॉल के साथ साथ में बनती है ना, the red ones, that like really crunchy ones that served with that momo chutney.
यार मैंने तो नॉर्मल वाले ही खाए हैं.
अब मुझे दिल्ली वाली को दिल्ली वाली फ्रेंच फ्राइज खिलाना पड़ेगा क्या? Hey! Guys, today I've taken up the daunting task of feeding the Delhiite behind the camera the famous Delhi French fries, which she claims that she hasn't tasted yet, by the way. So here I'm boiling a pot of water. I'm just going to flavor it by adding some salt to it. So I'm going to peel a couple of potatoes. So I'm going to cut my French fries, but just remember, I just want it like a little thicker than the normal French fries that you're used to. So this is going to be the normal size of my French fries. I actually can't believe that you haven't actually tasted the Delhi French fries.
कहाँ खाया है तूने?
I lived in Satyaniketan throughout my PG life in Delhi when I was studying in JMC. So that time, we never used to have meals, in college, meals in our PG. So we used to go and get grub all the time. So French fries and fried momos used to be my, to-go meal all the time. So me and Sumi, especially, we used to eat French fries like anything because like it was crispy, crunchy, very unhealthy, and that's what we loved. Now I'm going to add these French fries to water, salted water. I just boiled this for I think so 1 minute and it's good to go. You don't want to cook the potatoes through, but you're just going to blanch it a little bit. So I'm going to use my bowl again, which is like the most convenient thing. I'm going to add in some corn flour. For Delhi French fries, you really need to be generous with your corn flour. And then add a pinch of salt for taste. And the reason why Delhi French fries is so special is because it's not the normal potato color, it's a slight pinkish in color. And then you just go in, toss it around a little bit. Make sure every French fry is coated really well. What I like to do is just to be a little absolute sure, I'm just going to sprinkle a little water so that the coat sticks really well to my French fries, because I really want it to be crispy and crunchy and very soft and subtle inside. It's like making pakoras. So take your pan and now we're going to fry the potatoes again. Try and see. Oh, there you go.
Start adding the French fries there.
Look at this pretty, beautiful orange color, no? Can you see that? You know what Delhi hawkers do? They just fry it this much and then they keep it aside. Then whenever we go and we order, then they refry these. And I'm living my Delhi days these days. Once all my French fries are ready, I'm going to refry it, double fry it, so that it becomes like a little more crispier and crunchier. So I'm going to like reheat my oil at the highest it can be, and then just toss it back in. Make sure you have like a net thing to hold it, just like my strainer, so that it doesn't become soggy. These French fries are not complete without their famous Delhi style momo chutney. So I'm going to try to recreate it. So I'm adding few dry chilies, some cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and 1 tomato, which now I'm going to add salt. I'm using this paper cup for the full street food feels. A little chunky. and delicious. I'll show you the beauty of this French fry again. Can you hear it? So there you go, guys. Two different types of French fries. This is your famous Delhi style French fries, and this is the normal French fries that you eat. So when I try both of them, this is really soft and there's no crunch to it. This, on the other hand, is the Delhi one. It's not as soft, and if you can hear the crunch. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, and to all those who've already subscribed, thanks a ton. So if you like our recipe for today, the Delhi style French fries, please comment below and tag all the friends that you've had this Delhi style French fries memories with. Bye, see you. खा लेती हूँ थोड़ा. रोज खाओ आलू और बन जाओ बालू. It's real hot when you drop it, baby, baby.